When you have friends in high places.
Yeah, huh?
They'll be back. They just went right there.
Yeah.
Huh?
This is a Ranger, folks.
No.
But this is a Bronco.
Yeah.
That's one Diesel's famous thing.
Can you see our fire back there on the fender? Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. Hey guys, this thing be a one piece again.
Oh yeah, we're gonna fix it. Look at that.
Daddy.
Look at that. Bubble wrap tent.
Give them the.
They've seen it. Pretty sure they've seen it.
We did.
Oh, it doesn't see all the parts yet, huh?
Hey guys, comment down below if this for YouTube. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, comment down below if we should add two both sides.
He wants dual exhaust.
Yeah. Two of them, imagine.
Yeah, duals. That'd be awesome, huh?
Little bit muddy.
It's getting ready to get dark, guys.
Yeah.
See if we can zoom in on the mountain.
Actually, guys, whoever put these tires on this didn't put them on right, huh?
No, see guys?
See, this is
Show them what.
this is for front, right? The
Yep.
little hoop.
Yep.
Then come and look at this side. You can tell someone has all these wheels off. No hoop back tire.
Yeah, it's on the back though. So evidently
Yeah,
they've had the front tire off and put it on the back. Yeah.
Yeah, they thought that would be better tire.
We need to get two center caps when we get the rest of it put together. You know?
Guys.
Our fire is almost out, bro.
Yep.
We'll be back. Guys, it's almost out. Can't leave it out here till it's burning, so I gotta wait till it goes out. Luckily, I had to pause the camera when the doggies was barking. Yeah, they're barking because the neighbor's dog are barking. Quit! But look at this, guys. Look at this view. Let it focus in. You can definitely hear all the dogs. And we'll walk around.